up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're out here. It is Saturday. We're fresh off getting our teeth kicked in by JJ and his crew, Trish, at the arm drop race here today. We're at Nahuna Drag Strip. This is really close to our house, so this is an awesome little track. So we're just going to leave that same tune-up in it that we had last night at Mooresville, and we're going to let it actually bang on the two-step. And we're going to see if we can get a full pass, and we'll see what it runs. It should run like a 5:15 or so. Takes it and it goes down, and it goes down pretty fast. Then we'll try to turn it up a little bit and go a little bit faster. We just got me and Chase out here today, so he's doing pit crew stuff, and we're going to make it a nice, easy, relaxed day, and it's going to be really fun. Randy and Zach and Brandon was really close to Mooresville. He was only about 45 minutes away. But Randy and Zach, they drove 4 hours each way. It took me about 2.5 hours to Mooresville yesterday. And so, you know, it sucks. We got there at like 5 o'clock, and then we were there, and we got our teeth kicked in first round, and we got destroyed. And then we drove back home. So they drove like 8 hours yesterday. So I told them I was coming to the track today, and I was like, the first thing out of my mouth was like, you guys do not have to come. You know, we're going to take it a nice, easy day, and we're just going to have fun. And Chase is going to drive the golf cart around. You driving the golf cart?
Yeah, I guess. Well, not right now.
Well, of course not. Right now. You know what I mean. All right, guys. Y'all make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Go to turbojohnracing.com to grab some t-shirts and hit that join button if you want to join our weekly live chats. Right?
Yeah.
Are they fun?
Yeah. One of the bad things about this track, it's a really good track, but there is a circle track right over there on that side. So there's a nice little ramp there that we hit if we lose our brakes. We're going to be throwing the parachute early. There is enough shutdown here as long as you are smart and you throw the parachute at the cones. Don't run it to the scoreboard. The scoreboard is way past the finish line. If you run it to the scoreboard, you're late. So you got to get on the brakes, you got to throw the parachute, and you got to, you know, slow down. I mean, the track record down here is pretty fast. So, I mean, you can go fast here, but you got to be smart. So that's why we rode down here just as a refresher for me on where I'm going to be throwing the parachute and where I'm going to be, you know, hitting the brakes kind of.
Turbo John Racing. Go to YouTube, and you might see something in your room.
Okay, guys, so the car moved hard left. We got some help out here at the track too. He got us a good video. I appreciate you coming out and joining us and helping us and sending us the video. So the car moved hard left. So what I decided to do is grab the wife's tape measure again, just to check the rollout to see if it was still what it was supposed to be. So last night, before we made our pass, we checked everything and they were still within
like a 1/4 inch. And so everything was cool. And that was at air pressure that we were gonna run. That was at 10.5 pounds air pressure. They were dead on. So it sat in the trailer overnight. And so now today we made one pass, we done our burnout, and we made the pass and went left. This tire, which was the 87 marked on it, is now 88 5/8 of an inch. So it did shrink up about 3/4 of an inch, I guess. If it was 89 1/4. This one is 1 inch taller now than this one as far as the rollout. So we did get it to stretch like we did in my last video, or like we were talking about. But some of the people were talking about that it was going to possibly change back, and it did lose some of it. So now what I gotta do is I gotta find either an 88.5 or an 89.5 that is a single tire, so that we can get them back. So I'll buy a single tire, whichever one I can find now, and then once I get that, then I'll just throw the other one on the shelf, and then when those sets are done, then I'll find the other one. Hopefully we won't have any problems with tires. All right, guys, well, this is going to be a very short video today. It was fun. I wanted to come down here and make 2 passes, but I'm glad we came tonight. Our 252 list race is on Thursday, so I wanted to make sure that the car was actually going to work. It still went a 130, 160 foot, which that's dead on what it was supposed to go. That is exactly what it was supposed to go. It was supposed to go 128 to 131. It went left a little bit early, so that was going to probably be a high 120 something pass. So that was probably going to be my 510, 515 pass like I was expecting. So we didn't get much footage today. Luckily, he came out and he sent us his video. Chase got a good video with his, but the one GoPro, the 7, for some reason when Chase started it, it just freaking locked up. And then I practically had to come undressed to try to figure out that. And then, so I had my gloves on, and then I took my gloves off, which is stupid. So, but we got to work on our safety stuff. All right, guys, y'all comment, like, and subscribe. We're going to try to get something going. Hopefully we'll be okay on Thursday. We'll see y'all later.